For free response question number 1, it says let R be the region in the first quadrant bounded above by y equals x plus 2 and below by y equals e to the x. So for part C, we have to find the volume of the solid generated when R is rotated about the line y equals -2. So what we did is we just already drew a graph and we found the intersection. And so we're rotating it by we're rotating it around this line y equals -2. And since it's not going to be a full solid, since there's a gap between the line and the region R, we're going to be using the washer formula, which is pi from limits a to b of r squared minus small r squared d of x. So this rectangle right here represents d of x, and from the top line all the way to y equals -2 is big R, and from the bottom to the line is small r. But from 0 to -2 we have this extra space, so for each we're going to do r plus 2 squared minus small r plus 2 squared, since we have this extra space. So just to rewrite the question, pi times the integral of the lower limit will be 0, and the upper limit will be 1.146, and that's why we need the intersection. And then we take the top line for big R, which is x plus 2, then you have to add this extra 2 squared minus the bottom, which is e to the x, plus that extra 2 spaces, d of x. And to simplify, all you have to do is go into your calculator and you can go ahead and type this in and it'll give it for you, and the answer is 20.349.